So I'm going to show you how to check your administration settings and add somebody else to be a page editor to your page. So navigate to your page and then click on settings, and you'll see here all sorts of settings, and we want to look for the page role settings here. First thing you should check is to make sure that you are actually the page admin, and if you're not, then the person who is the page admin needs to make you admin. And then if you would like to add somebody else to contribute to your page, you can give them various different roles. Admin is the highest level. Editor would be somebody who could post to your page but not add somebody else to your page.
Hey.
The person that you are assigning needs to already like your page, so then you just simply search for them, for their name, and you add them. You're going to be asked to put your password in there. I'm not sure I remember mine. No, that's what I thought was going to happen. That happens to me a lot. Oh dear. There we go, finally in, third time lucky. So I've just added somebody new to my page. Simona is down there. She should be notified that she's now an editor on the page. But do make sure that you're actually set up as the administrator, and if you're not the administrator, you need to ask the administrator to add you to your page. And that's it.